Explosions in Tehran. U.S. Embassy hit in Riyadh. Oil tankers disrupted in the Strait of Hormuz. If you think this is just headlines, you're already behind. This isn't random Middle East noise. This is energy choke point risk, embassy strikes, cross-border escalation, shipping lanes under threat. We won't let oil leave the region. That last line matters because 20% of global oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz. When tanker rates hit record highs, that's not politics, that's logistics being repriced. Markets don't trade morality, they trade probability. And right now, the probability being repriced is supply disruption, insurance risk, escalation spillover. Here's what separates retail from institutional thinking. If this stays contained, oil spikes, inflation risk rises, USD stays supported. If Hormuz actually gets disrupted, energy shock, inflation narrative resets, risk assets feel it fast. Watch tanker rates, watch oil spreads, watch bond yields. That's where the real signal is. This isn't World War III content. This is energy infrastructure risk. And that's premium macro territory. If you trade, you don't ignore this. You position around it. Wisdom leads, action follows.